my nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. I'm back. Thank you for your kind comments. I'm so happy. You just made my day. All right. It is the day after the food pantry haul. And I wanted to show you guys a little bit of food prep and 2 meals I'm going to make out of the chicken that we got. Also, later video is coming out. I'm going to show you how I make my chicken stock. Very important. So you're actually getting kind of 3 meals out of this. Okay, let's start. I have deboned 2 chicken breasts, okay? Now, I'm not an expert at that, so I didn't show it. I may find a video that somebody who really knows how to do that professionally and link that to you guys, but I didn't want to put that on here because I really don't know what I'm doing when it comes to deboning a chicken, okay? But I did the best I could. I'm gonna make chicken parmesan and chicken fingers, okay? I've got a thicker chicken breast here, as you see. So, what I'm gonna do, this is gonna be our chicken fingers, because Jay is coming over and he's gonna like that, okay? I want you to slice it as thin as you can. Also, I've dried off the chicken so that the spices and flour won't fly off it when you put it in the grease. See, you want to put them about that size for your chicken fingers, okay? So, we're going to slice these up just like this, okay? Always watch your fingers when you are using a knife. All right. So we got your chicken fingers all cut up into slices. And I got a few other pieces in here that are just sliced. They're going to be chicken fingers as well, or chicken nuggets, whatever you want to call them. Chicken strips, chicken nuggets, blah, 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 blah. All this back up in here. I've washed this, by the way. And the chicken too, of course. Now, I got a flatter chicken breast here. See that? I flattened it out, butterflied it a little bit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put all this chicken in here. Oh, Lord have mercy, I'm flinging stuff. It lightened up my day. Because sometimes life can throw you a curveball, and just a few kind words can turn it all around. And if I can turn your world around and make you happy, I'm happy. I tell you what, the spices I'm putting on here are garlic, okay? We're gonna put a nice, sprinkling of garlic over top of your chicken, just like this, okay? Okay. Some more garlic over top of here. Now, some parsley, just regular parsley, nothing special. Some basil. Now I'm putting about a teaspoon to a tablespoon, depending upon how your taste is, of each spice, okay? Now the garlic, I'm probably putting a tablespoonful on there, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, this is wonderful. It's a salt-free seasoning, okay? And I'm gonna put about a tablespoon of this on there, okay? To make sure it has that kick. I'm putting a teaspoon of black pepper. All right? I am not adding salt. I'm gonna tell you why in just a moment. Italian seasoning, we're gonna put a tablespoon of that on there, okay? We want a generous amount of the Italian seasoning. Now, I'm gonna mix this up so that everything gets incorporated pretty well with the spices. Now, on the other side of the kitchen, which I will take you along with me, will show you that I've got some breadcrumbs, Italian breadcrumbs, and some panko breadcrumbs mixed together with these same seasonings in there, same amount, okay? A teaspoon of each in the breadcrumbs and a teaspoon each in the egg and milk mixture. I got 2 eggs beat together with a ½ cup of milk. And I put the seasonings in there the same amount as well, okay? Now, we got this all mixed up, okay? It's incorporated pretty good. I want you to see how that will look. So everything's mixed together, all right? First things first, we'll let that sit here and marinate a little bit. I'm gonna get me another utensil, wash my hands up a little bit, because I wanna make the sauce. You're gonna dip these chicken strips in and chicken nuggets. It is to die for. It is better than hot wing sauce. It's my honey garlic sweet heat sauce. Woo-wee. You just wait, hold on. Now, I'm gonna show you how to save money on that too. Because it's all about survival. Ooh. And I'm telling you something, no joke, I'm barely making it. But, you know what? You gotta choose to be happy, okay? Now, take you, and this time I know how it comes out and I ain't gonna make that mistake like I did with the smoothie. Take you about a half a cup to a cup of honey, okay? Because depending upon how much sauce you want to make. I'm also going to have a video of nothing but sauces. My Big Mac sauce. Yes, I know how to make a Big Mac sauce, and it's delicious. I also have a garlic mac sauce for steak. Ooh. All right. Once you put your honey in, you're going to add. I was so lucky at a food pantry haul to get some of this sweet chili sauce. It is wonderful. If you do not have this, you can use hot sauce with a combination of crushed red pepper flakes, okay? It'll be the same thing, right? Now, take some of this. This is not very hot. It's flavorful, okay? It is spicy, I'm not gonna lie. Put as much as you want. I put about a tablespoon in here. The southern blood in me kind of runs hot. So, I answered a question just last night, or was it today? Someone asked me, was I raised in Louisiana? No, but a lot of my folks were. So, they came from down south, and Alabama. And they knew a lot about southern cuisine, of course. Now look, see what this does to the honey? I got a clear bowl so you can see this time. See how it incorporates into the honey, and look what it does. It breaks it down a little bit into this sauce, this delicious sauce. Now for the secret ingredient. Garlic. I'm gonna put in a tablespoon of garlic. And then I'm gonna put in some parsley flakes. For some reason, about a teaspoon. For some reason, this brings out the taste in this stuff. I just don't quite know why. It's a chemical process, okay? Make sure you mix this good at least for a good minute. Because you want the garlic. Now, you can use fresh garlic too, okay? Oh yeah. Okay, you're getting everything mixed up into here. Really good. Make sure you get it all off the bottom. Now, see how that looks? This is really good. This here makes a good sauce. I'm gonna do something crazy, y'all. I'm gonna add some hot sauce. Oh yeah. What? I'm Puerto Rican and Southern. Come on now. You know I'm gonna spice it up. You do not have to do this, but I just want to. Oh. Get a little more kick. Okay. Oh, yes. Now, look, if you want it more mild, you don't put all that hot sauce in here. And I want a little more garlic. Because that's going to be real nice with those chicken strips. Okay. Now we're going to let this set. That's it. We're going to let this set. So all these flavors marinate together. Marinate, I know. Now, come with me to the other side of the kitchen. We're going to drop these into the flour. Okay, I've already got my spaghetti noodles made and my spaghetti sauce. You just take a can of that food pantry sauce, add you some garlic, at least a tablespoon, oregano, Italian seasoning, and basil, all at least a tablespoon in there, plus a tablespoon of sugar. Let it cook down for a while. Add some tomato paste or diced tomatoes in it if you want to. And it'll make a delicious sauce, just like ragu and all that, okay? I'll have a video to show that, but just for time's sake, I'm showing you the chicken stuff right now. Okay, children, come with me. I want to show you what we're going to do. There we go, that's better. All right. Now, I've got my chicken. Got my egg wash. Got my breadcrumbs, Italian and panko, and I've seasoned them, like I said before, with the regular stuff. Take your chicken strips, okay, dredge them right here in the egg wash. Oh, put them in, oh yeah, oh yes, oh yes. We're going to put these just like this. All right. We're going to put them in the hot oil. Right. You see? Oh, yes. Let's do another one. You get the idea. You put it right there in your breadcrumbs. Mix them up real nice and good. And you're going to have some really wonderful chicken tenders or fingers, however you want to call them. And even if they are chicken strips or fingers, whatever, you can still use them for chicken parmesan. You just lay them over there, over the spaghetti, and put the cheese on. Come on, that's all it is. You know, it sounds fancy, but you know, it's just putting on airs. You know, ooh, it's chicken parmesan. It's a big chicken finger. Oh, it's some spaghetti and cheese on top. What? See, my sauce is done. See how that came out? I got the noodles over there. That's going to be for the draining of the chicken. Ooh, I've said this before, nieces and nephews, and I'm going to say it again. I wish they had smell-o-vision, because this is divine. Oh, I'm going to put another one up in here. Oh, yes. All right. Put this in here. All right. Now, the big old chicken piece, it's the same thing. We just dredge it here in the egg wash, which is 2 eggs, as I said before, half cup of milk, and all the spices that I put on the chicken before. Getting it completely covered. Completely covered. I like the idea of the chicken strips myself. All right. Time to take these out Oh, that don't take them long now. See? Okay. All right, everyone. Look how it came out. You got 2 meals. Your chicken strips with that lovely sauce. Chicken Parmesan, enough for 3 or 4 people. You can feed your whole family with this off of 2 chicken breasts. Okay? All right. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to feed OJ. He's over here.
Oh, I'm here.
Yep, he's here. All right. Uncle Chris loves everybody, and thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Let me know what I can cook for you. And hit the bell so you know when you got another video coming. All right. Till next time.